What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. So, it's been a couple of months since I finished the white Lexus SC300. It ended up making, I think, 637 or 657, one of those numbers. It ran out of fuel pump. I think he had one Walbro, which I installed, which was a 450. And it maxed out. So he could have made more power, but we ended up stopping there, depending on, if he is looking to make more power in the future or not. If not, then he's going to leave it as is. So that was that. Now, I have been mentioning a lot in the previous videos that I was going to start on my car, my project. And I was not planning on taking any of this stuff out. I was not planning on taking, rebuilding the engine bay, the bushings and stuff like crazy, I should say. But that all got changed. Let me start by showing you guys this. We have no transmission. Let me get a flashlight. We have no transmission. I was not planning on selling my transmission. I was planning on keeping it for a long-term wise in case I bought another chassis, but that got changed. Now I don't have a transmission. I sold it. I have a surprise for you guys. I have not received it, so once I receive it, that surprise will be shown then. In the meantime, I am planning on taking out everything from the engine bay. The motor is going to be pulled out this week. Reason being is I am planning on getting the engine painted, and a lot of the stuff is going to be removed and replaced. So my project build is going to be starting, and I'm hoping to have this car running by March, latest April. And today is November 30th, 2021. So I'm hoping by end of March, to have my car back and up and running. Or if not, April. It all depends on how cold the winter gets. That's why I want to start now. Nothing too crazy about the motor. I do have cams that's going in. All that section right there is going to be going on this car. I got my big brake kit, which I needed to test it out to make sure that it clears my wheels. If they don't, then I need to find new wheels. But that's my brakes right there. All the other parts are right there. More parts are coming in. And so be on the lookout for more videos that's going to be coming soon. I am planning on taking this stuff out right now. I'm probably going to be taking out the intercooler piping, the turbo stuff, as much as I can get on this side done today, possibly, maybe tomorrow. I don't know, whenever I get to it. It all depends on if my kids allow me to. And then I'll be taking the intake side out and then pulling the motor up. And the reason why I am pulling the motor out, I wasn't planning on doing the engine bay painting and all this other stuff, is when I went to go remove my transmission, I started noticing there's oil leaks, which I am very surprised that I have oil leaks. I have triple checked everything to make sure I had no oil leaks, but I do. So I don't know if you guys can see, but my block is greasy. I don't know where my oil is leaking from. My valve covers are new. The gasket, all the gaskets on this car is new. But there's oil leak there. That's grease. My engine mount is wet underneath. Literally, there's oil. There's oil on this side as well, which I don't know where it's leaking as well. It's actually on the engine mount as well as dripping. And underneath the oil cover filter. And then there's oil all over my pan as well. So somewhere there's oil leaking, and I'm glad I found it now. Instead of, next summer I'm beating on the car, starts to leak oil, and then we have other serious problems. So that's that. So that's why I'm removing the motor. And then I have all bushings for the subframe in this box that I'll be replacing. I did buy new alignment bolts for front and back, so everything from the front to the back, all the new bolts, new bushings, is basically going to feel like it's going to be out of the factory, if not better, chassis car. Motor wise, just the cams are going, the turbo is going to stay the same. I might be doing some goody stuff here and there as to cosmetic wise, but internally it's going to stay the same besides the cams. So yeah, stay tuned. Watch for more videos to come. I don't want to start talking about what I'm, more stuff that I'll be doing. I want you guys to be, be a little surprised and stuff that I'll be redoing from front to back. So stay tuned, guys. Again, welcome back. If you are familiar with my channel, if not, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new viewers, subscribe, because there's gonna be a lot of content on my car, because I am planning on redoing everything. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Have a wonderful night.